like party.
Hi, my name is Renee White. I'm a member at Cross Point Church of Christ, and this is our Unity Sunday. We are a very diverse congregation. We have multi-nationalities here. Africa, a lot of Africans, which I think is beautiful. But we are bringing in tonight foods from our countries. This is my country, and I've lived in Texas all my life.
Oh, wow.
This is a Texas favorite.
Okay.
This is dried pinto beans, and you cook them in water, salt, pepper, bacon,
Okay.
and you cook them till they're done. And if you're having pinto beans, you have to have cornbread.
Oh, cornbread?
Cornbread.
Oh my God, my husband loves that.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Very simple.
Oh, wow.
But this is a Texas tradition, at least in my family.
Oh, wow. Thank you so very much. I really do appreciate today. Thank you. All right. Okay, so what's going on today?
We are having a service about missionaries going to other parts of the world. We have about 7 languages that we're going to use with interpreters, reading, praying, and singing. And afterwards, we're going to have food from different countries that everyone is invited to partake or to try.
All right. Thank you so much.
No problem.
I really do appreciate this, okay?
No problem.
And I'll go enjoy myself because I already saw some food there.
Oh, yeah. No
Thank you.
problem. Sure.
Yeah.
It's banana pudding.
Oh, banana pudding. I'm African. That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, no,
My
I-
bad.
In the tapestry of time, the story unfolds of a faithful God.